Hi. Well, I've traveled all over the world, and on my travels, I've come across a lot of very interesting things, a lot of things to eat, a lot of things to drink. One of my favorites is the summertime drink that I have now gotten into the habit of doing every year in the summer months. Something I learned from Greece. My travels in Greece, anybody who's been there knows that the Athens Frappe, or the Greek Frappe, I call it the Athens Frappe because that's where I found it, is an absolute standard. So I want to very quickly show how you can pull it together in a couple of ingredients and you have an incredible drink to have in the summer months. And of course, great memories of Greece if you've been there. So what I learned from a Greek barista is how to do this. And now I have my way, and I'm going to show you very quickly. Very, very simple things you need: a little bit of milk, some sugar, Nescafe, I know, hard to believe, but yes, Nescafe instant coffee, and some type of gotta open this, unfortunately, some type of grinder, blender, what have you. I have this NutriBullet. So very, very quickly, I blend together a little bit of Nescafe. So I put a little bit of hot water, very little bit, just like a couple tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon of Nescafe heaping. This is for one person. And then cover it up very quickly. Zip it. Just to get it going there. Mixes it all up nicely. Then if I want a full glass, I use about a half a glass, and then it foams up and becomes full. Pour that in there, and then depending on taste, put as much sugar as you want or no sugar at all. I usually do about a tablespoon, not so heaping, and it depends on, that's totally the taste, depending on what you want. Dip it in there. Barely 20-30 seconds, all you need. 20 or 30 seconds, roughly. A couple of ice cubes in there. Open it up. Almost done. And there you go. The Athens Frappe, and boy, is it phenomenal. So happy travels and enjoy your summertime drink with great memories of the streets of Athens.